Hello, welcome to another Simply Show, and today we are going to be learning about the difference between visibility hidden and display none properties in CSS. So over here I have made this simple program to show you the difference. It's a simple JS program and with CSS, and you can always download it for free in the link in the description. So over here we have two pictures. They are selected separately and the properties have been applied to them. So I have made a simple JS program which turns these functionalities on and off. So if you click this image, the image disappears since the value of hidden has been applied to the visibility property. And if you click on this image, the image will not be displayed. So both of these have an on and off state. So if we check on our DevTools, we can notice that if we toggle the value of the first property, which is visibility hidden, we can notice the space occupied by the element continues to exist even after the visibility hidden has been applied. So this space still continues to exist. On the other hand, if we toggle the value of the second property, which is display none, it completely disappears and no space is created. The other elements take the space of the display none property element. So we can see clearly that the sibling elements are shifting in position. So we can see clearly the sibling elements are shifting in position. So in conclusion, we can say the two major difference between these two properties are: in visibility hidden, element still takes up the space in the document. So it can affect the layout of the page. And display none, the element does not take the space in the document and does not affect the layout of the page. As you can see, it does not affect the layout of the page because the sibling elements are shifting to this new position. The second major difference between these two is in visibility hidden. If the element has a large amount of content, it can slow down the page rendering. So if the content was too much here, it could slow down the rendering of the page and affect the user experience. With display none, it will not slow down the page rendering because it completely disappears in the HTML, so it will not slow down the page rendering and won't affect the user experience. So the page will render faster with display none. So these are the two major differences. You can always download the exercise files and check out the program by yourself and play with it. Yeah, so thank you for watching this Simply Show, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.